Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to take a look at a loading ramp in a Ford Transit medium roof cargo van. Let's check it out. As you can see, this ramp stows just behind the rear doors, taking up about 13 inches of cargo space. This ramp is from WM Systems. It's their Light Series loading ramp and is standard with a spring assist, wheels on the end, and flexible end flaps. Let's check it out. This ramp is 31 inches wide, free and clear, 98 inches long with a capacity of 880 pounds, and you will have noticed this comes with an optional perforated surface. Now today, I'm going to load a road case. This road case weighs 230 pounds. Pretty neat, huh? Next, I'd like to have you take a look at where we mount this ramp. As I mentioned, this ramp takes up about 13 inches of cargo space. It sits directly behind your rear door. This here is the spring assist that makes the ramp so easy to use. And here's a close-up look at that perforated surface. Those are 3/4 inch holes that are stamped out and ideal for traction in snow, rain, or muddy environments. Lastly, I'd like to point out the flexible end flap. This flap allows for contouring to a variety of surface areas and makes it easy to load wheeled or carted items. Back to the spring assist. Let me fold this ramp back up and show you how easy it is to store. Now this ramp is suitable for a variety of commercial vehicles, including all full-size and small cargo vans. There's a variety of widths, lengths, and capacities available to suit a variety of needs. Please give us a call. We can discuss what might suit your needs best. Thanks for watching.